I'll show you how to make ginger and onion for your natural hair growth. Onion contains sulfur that helps regenerate your hair follicles. Ginger also contains antiseptic properties that help you fight that dandruff, and it also helps in circulation. So if you want to keep watching this video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and don't forget to share it. Now, first of all, we'll peel the onions. Peel the back very well and wash it and keep it clean for blending. Also, if you decide to use the ginger as it is, no problem, just wash it very well and make sure you get rid of all dirt from it. And then we also cut our onions. You peel the back and you wash it and keep it ready for blending. Next, you wash your ginger and put it in a bowl, and your onions, put it in a bowl, and then you blend until a very smooth paste. We need that smooth paste. If you have a juicer, go ahead and just throw it in the juicer and get the juice out of it. If you have a grater, you can also use a grater to grate your ginger and onion just to get that juice out of it. And then after blending, we put it in a sieve and you get every piece out of there, and then you sieve it very well to get out as much juice as you can. And then this is our ginger and onion juice ready to go into the hair. Then you take a cotton wool, dip inside it, and then you put it in your scalp all around you. I'll show you how to do that. Yes, you open your hair very well and make sure you expose your scalp. And then you put it right into your scalp. Make sure it penetrates into your scalp, and you do this all over your hair, in the middle, at the back, by the sides. Just make sure you get that juice into your scalp. It can actually be a bit messy, like you just have the juice coming down your face and all that. It's okay, we want our hair to be happy, so that's not a problem. And then you massage it lightly in circular motions. Massage it gently around your hair and make sure that every juice is incorporated into your scalp. And then you allow it for 30 minutes or more. If you can stay more than 30 minutes, good and fine, but if you can't, 30 minutes is okay. After which you wash it off, dry your hair very well. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and see great results. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.